Hi, today we're here at Motor Sportsland. I'm Jeremy, and we're going to be talking about the unmapped R-Pod 26BH. It's got this really cool new tailgate bar feature, exclusive to R-Pod right now. You have a really nice window area above that you can pass things through. This is really cool feature exclusive to R-Pod. You do have your outdoor speakers, 21-foot awning with LED light strip, hot and cold shower. So if you need water out here, your accessory rail for your grill, power out here makes it really nice. As we come around to the front, you're going to see this really big, nice pass through with a motion light. So if you need to get in there at night time, it's really nice to have a little light. There is USB plugs in there as well. As we come around to the front here, you're gonna see the nice big front window, which is tinted. You do have your dual propane tanks up front here, which is nice, gives you a lot of gas for your entire trip. You have your power tongue jack with the light, so you can hook up at night or at dusk, and it makes it really nice to be able to hook up easily instead of having that crank. Battery disconnect right up here, so when you go play you can turn everything off, that way you're not draining any battery. But you also have 400 watts of solar on this thing, so makes it really nice. That'll trickle charge your batteries. That's what the solar's for. The other side of the pass-through, and then right here you have your tankless water heater, so you have instant hot water and constant hot water as long as you have water until you fill up your tanks. Fresh water connection, so you fill up your tanks here. City water connection, so when you're at a campsite and you have a spigot, that's where it'll hook into. It'll go straight into the lines rather than into the tank. Great big slide on this side. And right back here you have your black tank flush. So when you're dumping, you'll hook the hose up into here. It's got a little sprinkler inside the black tank that cleans all the stuff out, and it'll clean the sensors inside of there so it reads properly. You have your gray and your black dump poles. So when you're dumping, you do the black first, then you do your gray. Your power's here. Your cable satellite connections are here. You do get your nice spare tire on the back. On the back here as well, you have the nice entry door, so you can load all of your toys and your stuff, your kayaks, whatever you want to put back here. The bed flips up, locks into place, so you can use that as storage. Makes it really nice. And then when we come back around here, you do get extra storage on this side underneath the bunks, and you'll see the bunks as when we go inside. Nice Goodyear tires, Azdel, fiberglass walls, makes it nice so that there's no mold, mildew, or any moisture that can seep into that Azdel. Nice solid step stairs, so that are adjustable, so when you set these down you're actually solid on the ground rather than it hanging off of the trailer. Let's take a look inside. Here we are inside, and you can see this really nice, beautiful trailer from inside, and you got this really cool feature here. This is a bar to table, so it's a 2-person bar, or this does flip up and it makes it into a 4-person dinette. This thing is really cool. They designed this so this just slides all the way back in, and tucks away. Then you have your 2-person bar here. You also have the nice pass-through window with the shades, blackout shade or the bug screen shade that come together and magnet together. On the blackout shade, you do have the radiant foil on the outside, so that helps block out that sun and that heat to keep it cool in here during the hot sunny day. Nice 12-volt smart TV in here. You do get, as we look into the kitchen, you get the convection microwave. You do get the 3-burner cooktop stove, storage underneath, and deep drawers, so you get tons of storage. Underneath the sink, more storage. Nice cabinetry, frosted glass. Big deep sink in here with the sink cover for counter space. Residential style faucet, another pop-up for counter space. Makes it really nice in here, so you have tons of counter space in here. Over here you do have the raw wood finish on the trim. Nice deep 12-volt fridge, so you're going to be just running off of your batteries, and or Sure Power when you're plugged in. Makes it really nice and efficient. Over here you do have the recliners, and these little tables that go into the cup holders are really nice. So if you're working on the road, you have your laptop, it's not sitting on your lap, you have a little table, drink area. These recliners are a pole recliner. They recline back pretty far, nice. You got your little pull down here. So you got more space for drinks, or if you want an extra seat, you got that. It makes it really nice. Over here, they have the central vac set up right here. So you have the option to use the hoses, and the bag just goes behind here. And then they designed it so you got the floor vac on this side. So you just sweep everything over here, kick this up, sweep all that in there, and then it goes into the bag. You do have your pantry cabinetry over here. Nice deep pantry cabinetry, so you got lots of space. Right behind me, you'll see the double over double bunks, and you actually have enough space. They're not all cramped up. A nice solid ladder that hooks up here. You do have lights, windows, and then your USB ports and plugs if you choose to get an inverter that will work if you're not plugged in. But if no inverter, those will work when you're on Sure Power or on a generator. Vents, speakers up here, your nice 15,000 BTU AC is going to keep that nice and cool during the hot days. Over here you'll see you have your switches for your awning lights, your porch, and your interior lights on. Slide room over here. Right here you have your monitor panel to check your levels of your tanks, your battery, tank heaters. With the fully sealed and heated underbelly with forced air, you also get tank heaters on those as well. Here we are in this nice little bathroom. You have your big shower with the built-in shelving features here. On this side you do have your shelves with a little towel rack. You have your storage over here, nice bungee storage to keep everything in. You have your hooks for your towels. Nice LED backlit mirror, so when you're doing your makeup or you're doing your shaving, you got a nice light in the backlit of the mirror. A little sink and some storage underneath the sink. Nice ceramic toilet, so you can use all your household cleaning. And then up here you have a nice Furrion powered fan, so get all that smells out of here. So all right, let's go over to the bedroom. Here we are in the private bedroom. You got your nice pocket door that closes. You have nice storage in here with hanging storage. Big king bed, 66 by 80. On the sides of the bed you got your shelving and cup holders for your water at night. Above the bed you got these nice baskets for all your storage. Underneath the bed you have your storage. You also have the drawers in the front, then your big storage in the back, all your blankets and everything that you want to have stored away, you can put in there. All right, over here you got your TV backer area, so you can mount your TV, your 12-volt cigarette style plug, satellite over here, and then you'll see it says exit. You have your exit window down here, so if you ever have an emergency and you need to exit, you can right here. And then you get a better view of this pocket door. on this side that I was talking about. Makes it nice private bedroom. And then also on the side over here of the bed, you can see a little bit better. You do have your plugs for your phones, 12-volt USB plugs, and then you have the storage area, which makes it really nice. They've thought of everything in this beautiful bedroom, so this trailer is just amazing. All right, here we are outside, and that concludes the R-Pod 26BH unmapped. And this is an amazing trailer. Current pricing is online. I'm Jeremy with Motor Sportsland. Come down and see me. We'll get you hooked up.